All right, we're gonna hit up Benchmark again. Last time I did this trail, I was already infected with the coronavirus and didn't know it. So, which probably explains why I was so fatigued that day at the end of my ride. I was like so out of it. So, let's see how we do on Benchmark today. Still trying to get back into the swing of things. Timing is a little off still. Balance is a little off. So we'll see how things go today. Second ride out. Post-COVID, baby. Benchmark is located at Bears Best here in the Summerlin area of Las Vegas. Ooh, yeah, definitely need to get back into shape. I think I'm gonna cut this ride a little short today. Oh. As the cardio, it's not all there yet. I know it's gonna take a few weeks, so hope for the best. Trying to take it easy, not get the heart rate up so much. Whew. Yeah. Oh, I did work out a little at home yesterday, and my legs and ass are kind of sore, so another reason I'm taking it kind of easy. But we'll see. I'm gonna save my legs for this little downhill portion. coming up. Whew.